Hey all, ready to dive into the world of coding. In this video, we are going to break down everything you need to know. Whether you are a complete newbie or already have some background, we will make sure you walk away with clear understanding. So grab a snack, get comfortable, and let's get started. We are going to break down the key concepts of declaration and definition, two terms that often get mixed up. By the end of this video, you will have a clear clear understanding and be ready confidently discussing with these anyone. So let's jump right in. Today we are going to explore two fundamental concepts, declarations and definitions. These are building blocks every programmer needs to be mastered. What exactly are declarations and definitions, and why is it so important to understand the differences? Definitions are like introducing a new friend. You tell the compiler their name, what kind of a person they are, the data type. Definition are giving like your friend place or to live. It is assigning a memory location. You might also give some starting gift like initializing a value. Similar to this, declaration informs the compiler about the variable type, name, storage class, while definition provides the variable actual memory location and initializing value. Why is it so important? This Well, imagine trying to introduce a new friend with telling anyone their name or where they live. It'd be pretty confusing, right? The same goes for your code as well. If you don't declare or and define variable correctly, you will run into the compilation errors and other headaches. Understanding of these declaration and definition make you confident while writing code. Hope you will not have any compilation linking errors. You are having correct understanding of these. You will avoid these errors which you face earlier after understanding this. So let's break these concept and make sure you are with these. Let's dive deeper into declarations. Remember that as we discussed, declaration is like introducing a new friend to the compiler. So what does a declaration do? Tells the compiler, hey, got a new variable here. Its name is X and it is integer type. Reserve for if it is a reserve a spot, if it is a global variable, compiler sets a space, memory space for it. Below is the example where integer X that is declared, just that we discussed. Now let's talk about definition. Remember, a declaration is like something where we are introducing a friend. Definition is like giving a place to live. Maybe a little get started. So what does a definition do? It tells a compiler, hey, I got a variable name y. It is of type integer and its initial value is 10. So compiler assigns a memory address. The compiler finds a memory spot for a variable and sets its initial value. Important note is here you can only define a variable once. Think of giving a permanent address to a friend, not move them, right? There is a basic syntax for a definition. We just discussed for integer 5. In this example, we are both declaring and defining a variable integer y. We are telling the compiler its name, data type, initial value, and compiler assigns a memory location, sets value with value 10. Remember, while you can declare a variable multiple times, you can define it only once. This ensures the compiler knows exactly where the variable is located, what is its initial value. Let's compare declarations and definitions side by side. Declaration introduces a variable to a compiler. Definition allocates memory and actually initialize value. Syntax for declaration is data type as and variable name, while definition has data type, variable name, initial value, memory allocation. Declaration don't allocate memory. Definition allocate memory and initialize the value. Initial value. Declaration has no initial value, while definition can have initial value. Multiple declarations and definition. Declarations can be multiple times within the same scope. Definition can be only once defined. Declaration can be declared in multiple files, while definition can only be defined in one file. Let's recap key takeaways from this lesson. Clear before you use. Always make sure to declare a variable before you try to use it. One definition is enough. You can declare a variable multiple times, but only one define once. Definitions do the heavy lifting. When you define a variable, you are giving place to live and possibly to starting. That's where memory allocation and initialization happens. External linkage allows us a variable declared in one file and defined in another file. So remember these key points. You will be on the way of becoming master. Subscribe for more coding tutorial and tips. Leave a comment if you have any further questions. Thank you.